Hey everyone, I am Reena and welcome to Flamboyant Flavors. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make almond oatmeal cookies. These cookies are dairy-free. I'm not going to use any flour or extra refined sugar. That makes it gluten-free and healthy option even when you crave for something sweet. So let's get started, but please do me a favor and hit the subscribe button and make it gray so you don't miss out any new videos I post every week. And don't forget to hit the like button as well. Also stay with me till the end because I'm going to share a great tip at the end of this video. I'm going to start with a mashed banana. I let this banana fully ripe till they start to get brown spots on the skin because they become sweeter the riper they go. And then I'm going to add 1/4 cup of peanut butter. So these two ingredients are going to act as butter, sugar, and eggs in this almond oatmeal cookies. Let me mix it so there are no lumps of peanut butter remain at the end, and it'll be easy to mix with the rest of the ingredients. Alright, now add 1.5 cups of oats. I'm using quick oat flakes because I think this is the perfect type when you are avoiding the use of flour. But you can use rolled oats if you want. Then I'm going to add 1/4 cup of roughly chopped almonds. I'm also going to add 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon for flavor boost in these cookies. 2 pinches of salt. I'm also adding 1/4 cup of vegan cooking chocolate chips. But if you're not a fan of chocolates, you can totally avoid adding it. And lastly, I am adding 1/8 cup of maple syrup, which is made from sap of a sugar maple tree. And if you don't have maple syrup, then you can use honey instead. But hey, if you're new to my channel, welcome! Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out any new videos I post every week. And don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoy this recipe video. Let's combine everything. My friends, don't be afraid to make double batch. They are really satisfying, especially for someone who keeps hunting for sweets in kitchen pantry like I do. At this point, let's put the oven to preheat at 360 degrees Fahrenheit. This is the perfect consistency of cookie dough. If you want a little loose consistency, then you can add additional half mashed banana and about 1/8 cup of peanut butter. Let's put this aside and take the oven pan tray and grease it with some oil. I have my pan tray covered with aluminum foil, but this is not required and you can avoid using like this. I'm going to use this spoon to scoop out cookie dough, or you can use cookie scoop if you have that available. Using my hands, I'll shape the dough into round, and if the cookie starts to crack, then just push down the dough from the side to prevent from cracking. And place all the cookies in the tray about 1 inch apart. If you haven't started the oven, make sure you preheat at 360 degrees Fahrenheit. This measurement made about 13 cookies for me, but it will depend on how big you make your cookies. Alright, my oven is preheated, so let's put these cookies into the oven for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, turn off the oven and let the cookies sit inside the oven for about 5 to 7 minutes before you take them out. And the reason to do so is to get nice brown layer at the bottom. It works for me. I know it's super tempting, but it's really hot. So let it cool down for about 20 to 30 minutes or till they completely cool down. These almond oatmeal cookies are soft, chewy, crunchy, and nutty. Let me show you how it looks from inside. You can see the inside looks chewy and the aroma of the cinnamon is just amazing. If you want to check out my chocolate cake recipe video, the link is down below in the description box. Now let's talk about the great tip that I wanted to share with you guys. You can store these cookies in an airtight container at the room temperature for up to 1 week. But if you plan to keep them for a longer time, then please store them in the fridge. These cookies can be enjoyed with milk and are perfect as breakfast cookies as well. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, Please do me a favor and hit that like button down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for future videos. You can follow Flamboyant Flavors on Instagram. The link is in the description box. And don't forget to tag me so I can see your creation of oatmeal cookies. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.